Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen. So first let me open any application or any window on my device, and then I have at this point I have three options on how to make this browser, in my case, full screen. So the first one is just double tapping the top bar of the application like this, and then to de-maximize it, simply double tap it again. I can also use this button right here to both maximize and de-maximize it, and I can also simply grab the top bar of the application and drag it to the top of the screen and just let it go right here. Now I can drag it back down and it will de-maximize automatically, and that's basically how you use the full screen feature for each application on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.